Apple destroys everyone again. What's up guys, we are back and this is the strongest iPhone 14 news. We finally know what performance boost to expect on the upcoming iPhone 14 series with a brand new Apple A16 chip, and well, they're about to leave the competition in dust once again. According to this new info coming from iHack2 on Twitter, which by the way has a very good track record in the past, in the initial test we've got a pretty good increase in the Antutu benchmark, which brings about 35% GPU gain and about 42% CPU gain. This is actually in comparison to the Apple A15 chip. This is great, but the best part is actually the battery life. With the iPhone 14 series, you can expect a 2-hour plus addition to the already monster battery life of the iPhone 13 Pro and Pro Max. This is incredibly awesome considering this was just the initial testing. Now it's not just better battery life but also faster charging, as iPhone 14 Pro lineup can charge 50% in 16 minutes for this first test. He further mentions that the screen is updated as well for a better efficient usage. Seems like Apple is indeed using the absolute latest OLED LTPO tech from LG and Samsung that can drop to 1 Hz for that increased battery performance boost. So there we go. Despite not changing the Apple A16 chip massively compared to A15, Apple is still bringing a boost with both CPU and GPU performance with better optimization, and of course with a faster LPDDR5 RAM installation, which could be majorly responsible for this better performance in Antutu benchmark. I'm very excited about the battery life on the iPhone 14 Pro lineup because, as we know, Apple very easily destroys their opponents in terms of the battery life already with the 13 Pro Max. So you can just imagine what a level we can see with the iPhone 14 Pro series in terms of battery life versus the competition. Now iHack2 also mentions that camera is looking amazing, likely because of the new sensor, which is bound to bring some big improvements, especially with the sharper photos and sharper videos thanks to more megapixels. The new 48 megapixel sensor will be exclusive to the iPhone 14 Pro and the 14 Pro Max, but the front camera upgrade will be coming to all iPhone 14 models. Yes, Ming-Chi further confirms that this sensor is coming with 6-element lenses compared to 5P lens from last year, bringing better performance and now with autofocus. Apple already has one of the best front camera performance out there, so it's gonna get even better with the new iPhone 14 lineup. Also in the news, iOS 16's developer software code recently confirmed the existence of the always-on mode for the iPhone 14 Pro lineup. Considering the new lock screen on the iOS 16, which is by the way a very good implementation, always-on mode for the iPhone 14 Pro lineup is very likely to happen. iPhone 14 series is definitely Apple's hottest products for 2022, but there's going to be more later down the year, as Mark Gurman says that Apple is updating its existing iPad Pros in September or October with the new M2 chips, wireless charging, and upgrades to the camera system. The market will once again see the absolute fastest tablet ever. So there we go, that is all the latest Apple news. The iPhone 14 is looking absolutely packed with performance despite having the same 5nm based chip thanks to faster RAM upgrade and of course better optimization. Once again, optimization is the key, and Apple is looking to extend the most important part of any smartphone, which is of course the battery life. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. This is going to be epic. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.